Welcome to Toppscholars, the smart learning app. Today, we will explore the interesting use of the pronouns through a skit. Let us join Mr. Grammar and the missing pronouns of Grammarville as they relish their adventurous journey. Let us participate with them and unwind in the extraordinary world of pronouns.
The townspeople are in a state of confusion. They keep talking about an author named Agatha Christie, but they do not know who she is anymore.
I keep saying Agatha Christie wrote The Crack in the Dolomites, but I cannot seem to follow it up with she wrote it.
It seems our pronouns are missing. Let us discover where we might find our pronouns. Pronouns are words which are used to refer to the already placed noun. The pronoun relates to people, places, things, or ideas. The pronoun must always agree with the noun it replaces in a sentence. For example, Adam has completed his homework. He will be going to the playground soon. Some examples of pronouns are I, he, she, they, we, it, you, us, me, their, that, this, who, whose, whom, and them. What if the pronouns are hiding because they are used incorrectly? Pronouns help make a sentence complete, clear, and concise. Example, Adam has completed his homework. He will be going to the playground soon. The noun word Adam in a sentence twice is an unnecessary repetition. I wonder if this is the reason why pronouns are in hiding. Hello, pronouns. Why is each of you hiding from the townspeople of Grammarville?
People do not correctly place us in a sentence. They forget to use us in their sentences. We will give you the rules to correctly use us in a sentence.
A singular pronoun should be used with a singular digit of the noun it replaces. A plural pronoun should replace the plural noun in a sentence. For example, A. Adam completed his homework. B. Adam and Alex completed their homework. The pronoun still seems scared of something. I wonder, where did the pronouns go? Let's find out in the next part of our video. Stay tuned.